Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
After importing images into the organizer, you can group them into albums based on whatever criteria you want. Elements provides you with an Organize panel at the left side of the organizer window to help you create and manage your albums as well as better organize your photos. To create a new album within the organizer, click the Create New Album or Album Category drop-down arrow button in the upper right corner of the Organize panel. It's the small green plus sign with a small downward pointing arrow to its right. Then choose the New Album command from the drop-down menu that appears to display a New Album panel at the right side of the window. Note that you can also directly click the actual plus sign part of the same button to open the exact same panel. In the New Album panel, you can first type a name for your new album into the album name field. To categorize the album under a category that you have created, select an existing category from the category drop-down. Creating categories will be discussed in an upcoming lesson within this chapter. To then add media to the album, click and drag the media to add to the album from the organizer window into the media bin shown within the Add New Album panel. After adding media to the new album, you can click a media item that you have added to select it, and then click and drag it to a new location within the media bin to change the order of the images displayed within the album. When you're finished, click the OK button shown at the bottom of the New Album panel. The new album name will then appear in the Organize panel at the left side of this window. To add more images to an existing album, click and drag the images onto the album's name shown within the Organize panel and then release them when the desired album name appears highlighted within the panel. To remove an image from an album, simply right-click the image within the album that you want to remove and then choose Remove from Album, then the album name from the pop-up menu that appears. You can create as many albums as you need to organize the media that you have imported into the Photoshop Elements organizer. To view an album that you have created, click the Albums button at the top of the Organize panel to show the existing albums within the panel. The albums are grouped into expandable and collapsible groups for local albums and mobile albums by default. Note that new albums are placed into the local albums group by default. You can click these group names to expand and collapse the albums that are shown within each group. To view the media contained within an album, click the name of the album shown within the Organize panel. To then display all the images in the organizer again, click the All Media button in the upper left corner of the organizer's media window when viewing the contents of an album. To delete an album, right-click the album to delete within the Organize panel and then select the Delete command from the pop-up menu that appears. Elements will prompt you to make sure that you want to delete it within a Confirm Album Deletion message box that appears. Click the OK button within this message box to finish deleting the selected album.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.